Hey guys, it's Marissa from Krietz Customs coming at you with a build overview. If you guys have a brand new high country and you're ready to get it built but you're not sure where to start, I have the perfect start for you. This is a 2019 Chevy 1500 high country that Krietz Customs just got finished building. We're going to take a look at what we added to this vehicle. Starting off with that suspension kit, it is going to be that 6-inch rough country suspension lift. We did add the strut spacers onto this vehicle. It is pretty new, it's got low miles, the struts are pretty new with low miles as well. Strut spacers are perfectly fine on these Chevys. You do have some options though. You can upgrade them to lifted struts, and then you can also upgrade them one more time to the Vertex coilover shocks that they have. Now you also have your bigger wheel and tire package that we added to this vehicle. You're coming down here to your wheels, that fuel stroke. This one is a 22 by 10 with a -24 offset, so it's going to stick out about 1.5 to 2 inches past those fenders. So if you guys want to kind of keep it a little bit tucked, this is the perfect size for you. Now this wheel is the gloss black and milled finish. They do have a gloss black and candy red, and then also a gloss black and candy blue, and those come in an array of different sizes. This one specifically comes anywhere from a 17 by 9 all the way to a 24 by 14, and then your various bolt patterns from a 5, 6, or 8 lug truck. Now with the tire, this is the Nitto Ridge Grappler, a 35, 12, 50, 22, and it is that hybrid tire, so great on-road and off-road performance. It has the performance of an all-terrain, but they also added the aggressive sidewall on the outside part here to give it a more of an aggressive mud appeal. If you guys want a little bit less of a tire, they do make the Nitto Terra Grappler G2 for an all-terrain, and then if you want to one step farther up, that they do have that Trail Grappler as well as a Mud Grappler if you want more of an aggressive feel. With the new body style Chevys, we don't have to trim as much like we do on the older classic body styles. Some of the fender liner obviously has to be trimmed, and then if you see that the mud flap does have to be taken off for the turning radius, so you guys can get full turns out of the wheels and tires. If you guys have a high country and you're ready to get yours lifted and you want to pay for it later, you guys can take advantage of our 0% financing options. If you guys want more details, click the link in the description below.